This is a McPickle. Yes, you heard that right. The McPickle was an April Fool's joke by McDonald's a few years ago. This means it's not real, right? Well, not quite. After seeing the April Fool's ad, a man went to his local McDonald's to order one, and they actually made it for him.